The game has changed for good. The rules are being rewritten, and the stakes have never been higher. German powerhouses like Porsche, BMW, and Audi are leading the charge, blending their legendary engineering with the latest in electric propulsion. Porsche's Taycan isn't just an electric car, it's a true sports car, delivering breathtaking speed, precision handling, and unmistakable beauty, all while being emission-free. BMW's iBrand stands out with bold, futuristic design and advanced technology, offering drivers a glimpse into the future of luxury mobility. Audi's e-tron GT, sharing its engineering DNA with the Taycan, brings together performance, style, and sustainability in a way that's never been seen before. Across the Atlantic, American innovators like Tesla and Lucid are pushing boundaries, challenging the old guard and setting new standards for electric performance and luxury. Tesla's Model S shattered expectations, proving that electric cars could be fast, practical, and desirable, with unmatched range and acceleration. Lucid's Air is a masterpiece of engineering, combining luxury, innovation, and efficiency to create a new benchmark for electric sedans. This shift is massive. New factories are rising, dedicated platforms are being built, and the entire supply chain is evolving to meet the demands of electric mobility. Companies are locked in a fierce competition to develop the most advanced batteries and motors, racing to deliver more power, longer range, and faster charging. For drivers, this means more choices, better technology, and cars that are cleaner, quieter, and more exciting than ever before. Electric is no longer a niche experiment, it's the main event, reshaping city streets and redefining what it means to drive in the modern world. The race to build the ultimate electric luxury car is on, and the winners will shape the future of mobility for generations to come. Let's talk about the cars leading the electric revolution. These are not just vehicles, they're statements of innovation, performance, and luxury, redefining what it means to drive electric in the modern era. The Tesla Model S Plaid is a four-door saloon with supercar acceleration. It's a technological marvel, blending cutting-edge software with jaw-dropping speed and a minimalist, futuristic interior. It goes from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. The instant torque and seamless power delivery are truly exhilarating.